Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how exactly I make my architectural models. So let's get straight into it. So first of all, we'll be talking about the materials that we use for model making. Now trust me, they are a lot. So I've made a makeshift setup here because I'm at home because of the election break, and I just have to manage what I have. So I have this tile, ceramic tile for cutting, so that I don't actually damage wood or paper if I try to cut on it. So first of all, we have my modeling base. This has been cut to scale. It's just a carton basically. Yeah, it's just carton. So it acts as the base of my model. It's quite sturdy after I attach some other things to it. Soft straw board. Now this I already used out of it, but it's basically for all our walls and it's quite thin if you notice. Hard straw board. Now I haven't used this at all before, but it's a bit thicker than the soft straw board, making it harder to cut, but gives it the addition of extra strength. So I really don't like cutting it because it's very hard to work. White embossed cardboard. Now I like this one because it's quite shiny if you notice the way the light reflects on it. So this is what I'll be using for the walls of the building. And next, red embossed cardboard. Now this is not just any embossed cardboard. If you look closely, it has these straight lines on it, and which is why I'll be using it for my roof. So this is my roof material. There are some that are a bit more pronounced, but because of the scale I'm drawing or making this modeling, which is 1 to 200, it's quite small, so it's better if it's like this. And yes, it's quite shiny, I know. It's for my grass material, and this is actually the first time I'm using this material because I want the model to enter my lecturer's eyes. No other apparent reason. So hopefully this goes well. Definitely it doesn't look like grass from here, but I feel like once I implement it in my model, it should look better. And to catch, I need stuff that will enter their eyes. You get, because we're looking to bag those marks. This black material for our road effect. Usually there are two sides to this. You can either use this side or this dull side, but remember the whole theme of this is to make it shiny, make it enter their eyes. So I'll be using the shiny side. This is actually the old grass that we use. Yeah, you see that this one is not so shiny. Although this one looks a bit more like grass, but it's sawdust, so it actually breaks a lot and it's annoying to work with. It does its job though, because my last model was quite okay. I also got this scoring sponge. Yes, a lot of you recognize this as stuff you use to wash pots. I see in architecture we use this as edges, to show your bushes, stuff like that. So just cut it into 10 lines. Our cutting knife, more glue, careful stick. I have quite a number of cars, some shrubs. These are shrubs. A lot of trees. We have trees and quite a lot of them. So I think that covers the basic materials I'm going to be using. There are a lot of other ones, but I guess those ones won't really be evident in the model. So we have our scissors too. That comes in handy a lot compared to the cutting knife. Now I forgot to mention in the video, but I'll be saying it now. This is going to be a multi-part series, so I'll be breaking down into short videos so you can go at your own pace. So sit back and enjoy the final result.